That thing is fast, dude. That thing is fast for a Harley, man. No shit. Dang, dude. I will say that Harley's pretty fast. Dang, yo. Not to toot my own horn, but I did take him pretty good right there. I was pulling on him. I was pulling on him in fourth. Oh yeah, I was pulling on him. Wasn't really a race, but you know when someone gives it the beans and anyways, if you enjoyed our riding, if you like what you saw, please give this video a like. If you want to see more just like this, please subscribe. Until next time.